Does Allah have a greatest name? And the answer is yes. Is it in an authentic hadith? And the answer is yes. Do many people know it? And the answer is no. Rasulullah ﷺ, he did not only say that this is the greatest name of Allah, he swore by the one whom the soul of Muhammad in his hand. Does Rasulullah ﷺ have to swear for us to believe him? Rasulullah ﷺ walked into the masjid. He saw a man making dua. He said, Allahumma inni as'aluka bi'annaka anta Allah, la ilaha illa ant, al-ahad, al-samad, الذي لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. Rasulullah ﷺ said, by the one whom Muhammad's soul in his hand, he asked Allah by his greatest names. The name when he is asked by, he gives, and if he is called upon, he answers. What is this dua? The man said, Allahumma inni as'aluka, we all know that. That's the first part. Allahumma inni as'aluka bi annaka anta Allah. You are Allah. La ilaha illa ant. There's no one worthy of worship except you. Then the rest is what? Surah Al-Ikhlas. بِأَنَّكَ أَنْتَ اللَّهِ الْأَحَدِ, the only one. الصَّمَدِ. Then the rest, literally Surah Al-Ikhlas. الَّذِي لَمْ يَلِدْ وَلَمْ يُولَدْ وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٍ. And then, what do you want? أَن تَرْزُقَنِي, أَن تَرْحَمَنِي, أَن تَشْفِيَنِي, أَن تَشْفِي أُمِّي, أن ترزقني زوجة صالحة. Whatever you want, ask Allah after that introduction, whatever you want. Can I say this in my sujood? Absolutely. Can I say this before I make taslim? Absolutely. Can I say it just any time? Absolutely. So please make this dua, teach this dua to your spouses, to your children.
Alhamdulillah, we are happy to announce the launch of the One Islam TV app. Watch hundreds of high-quality produced Islamic reminders, Quran learning videos, stories of the prophets, and so much more. 2 new videos uploaded daily, inshallah. Watch videos on demand, or download videos and watch offline. No more annoying ads or pop-ups. 100% safe browsing for your peace of mind. Watch or listen to lectures and lessons while you work, rest, or drive with your device switched off. One Islam TV is 100% run and owned by Muslims, which means the small amount you pay for your subscription is a SADAQAH JARIYAH, continuous charity for you, as we use the funds raised to continue producing more beneficial videos and reminders, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is now available on Apple devices, Apple TV, Android devices, Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Roku, so you can watch on most devices and smart TVs. Download now for a free 7-day trial. May Allah reward you for supporting our work.